my time. Today we are going to be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge. I can't wait to see what slime I make. Let's get started. For this, you'll need a blindfold, something to mix with, glue, which I already poured in because I don't want to get all over my table, activator, baking soda, and food coloring. I'm going to pull this down and let's get started. I am super excited. So this is the bowl. I usually add baking soda first. This is the baking soda, I think. And I can't see you guys, so. Okay, I think that's good. I'll use my spoon. This feels weird. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I think I need activator and more baking soda. You guys, tell me if I'm adding a lot of stuff. I can't wait to see what it turns out like. I don't think it's coming together. Should I use baking soda or activator? I don't think I'm making anything with my baking soda. You guys, this feels so weird. Oh. Okay, I think I added too much. This feels really weird, guys. I hope you guys make better slime than me. Please let me know what I'm using. Oh my gosh, I almost knocked activator down. I'm so sorry. Is it coming out? Yeah, I think so. At first I was like, wait, do I have it open? I do not think it's coming together, guys. Stop giving up on me. I'm getting tired. I don't think it's coming together. Why is it coming together? Yeah, this is not coming together. I need to add more baking soda. Please, I don't think I got anything on the table yet. I add these like every second. Like, why? Super like wet and slimy. Like in cold. Did I put it on my sleeve? This feels weird. I think it just came together. Okay, I feel it like coming together. I'm gonna keep on mixing. My mom always says whenever it all comes into the middle, you have it like done. It's stretchy, but still sticking. I'm just adding the activator all over the place. Wait. I should add my food coloring. I'm adding my food coloring. So they're all right here. I'm picking this one. Oh no. Where'd it go? In the... Oh my gosh. I'm adding this color, guys, if you could see it. And this color. You guys, please tell me. I don't want to get food coloring all over. Please no. Ew, I think I just got food colored all over me. Ah, because it's cold. Oh, I'm so scared what it'll turn out like. Okay, I'm really scared. I'm gonna add more baking soda. Oh, this feels so weird. I think I'm done. This is so weird. Okay, I think I'm done, but it's really sticky. Okay, I'm picking another color because my mom said there's like no color, so this one. I picked this color, guys, if you can see it. Where's my spoon again? Ugh, I can't find my spoon. Let's just stand it. I am a mess. I'm so scared. I think I got it. I think I feel it. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Okay, this is good. I'm going to add just a little more baking soda. And mix it. Ew, I got it all over my sleeve. It feels like nothing's in here, but it feels ew. No! I don't think I made slime. Guys, what did I do? In the next video, I might do another one of these to fix the slime. Okay, I need a napkin. I had a napkin. This is it. Okay. I do not think. Okay. I'm gonna add all my baking soda. There, I add most of it, I think. I need this baking soda. If you're listening, please fix my slime. No, I don't think this is just glue. I watch slime videos all the time. I love slime videos. And I once made slime and I mixed it up. Oh. Where's my... Thank you. I'm trying activator. Activator, please help me. I'm so sorry. hope I'm not making a total mess here, because if I make like a total mess, I'm stuck cleaning it up. I don't want to clean anything up. I feel something, or I hear something. Why did I say I feel? You guys, I think I fixed the slime. Okay. So I have my sleeves. Where's the napkin? I'm putting the stain on the napkin. Okay. Let's dig in. Ew! This is gross. This is so gross. It's sticky! Oh my gosh. Guys. What did I do? I got slime all over me. Well, not slime, like goo. I think this is a fail! You have to knead it now so it could all come together. And I don't think mine's coming together. I'm kneading it. I have no idea what I made. I have no idea what color. I hope it's good. I just hope it's like good slime. Okay. This feels pretty good. I really want it to be blue or purple. Wait, I want to check if I got any. Oh no, wait, what? Oh, I got it on my dress! This is new! Okay, this is like drippy slime. Yeah, this is totally drippy. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more activator. Okay, I think I made slime. I have no idea, but I want to pull my blindfold off and let's see. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So the slime is really good. I love it so much. It's like Minnie Mouse slime or like bubblegum slime. It's super good. There is like 2 tests. I want to test it out though. So let's clear this off and then we'll test this. So the 2 tests I want to try is slime bubbles and swirls. So if you don't know what a slime bubble is or how to make one, a slime bubble is where you just take it and flatten it out and you just like flip it and there's like a big bubble. And this is how you make one. So you take your slime and you just like kind of flatten it out. And then you take the top of it and you just flip it down like that. And it's supposed to make a slime bubble, but I don't think I have the slime to make slime bubbles. Oh, I almost made one. See, like that. Oh, I popped it. Okay. And a swirl, if you don't know what a swirl is or how to make a swirl is where you take the slime and you swirl it around, like twist it around. And let's see if it works. Mine is like super drippy slime, so I don't have no idea. Okay, let's try. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think this is working. I'll try one more time for each. I don't think this will work. And then let's try one more time to make a slime bubble. There we go! Yes! Thank you so much, son. This is super fun slime, I think. I had like Minnie Mouse slime, I think, one time I made, but then it turned into bubblegum slime. So I'm just gonna call this one bubblegum slime again because it looks like bubblegum. So I was playing with it and I was like, can I add shaving cream? And my mom said yeah. So I went to go add shaving cream and this is what it turned out. It's really, really fluffy. Let's try the bubbles and the swirls one more time again. Hey, that's really kind of good. Let's try the swirls. Kinda good for the swirls, but kinda not. So if you want to add like shaving cream to it to make it like more fluffy, you could do it. And I wish you good luck. But also, one time I used shaving cream to make slime. I made slime unblindfolded and it became really rippy, so be careful making slime and adding shaving cream without a blindfold. Be really careful because it could become really rippy. If you don't know what rippy means it breaks it breaks super easy. So good luck. So I think I did a pretty good job on the slime. I do know how to make slime, but just not blindfolded. I think I did a pretty good job. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to share it with friends and family. And make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!